How to use referral code on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use the referral code on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use referral code on Temu, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Temu application as you can find it here, and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. And if you basically have a specific device or specific code and then you want to redeem that code, you want to simply come to the U option that you can find from the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the U option, over here you'll find this option known as coupons and offers, where you need to simply make sure to tap on it once. As you tap on coupons and offers, all you have to do is, whether it is a discount code or a redeem code or a coupon code, you simply want to make sure to enter the number over here and just tap and apply. Depending upon the value of the referral code, it is going to be successfully applied. This way you can use referral code on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.